Hi guys, it's Beata from My Sweet Passion Cakes. Thank you for visiting my website. First of all, lots of people always on the Facebook asking me about how do I make my cream, so I thought I'd share the recipe with a short video with you. Now, what do we need first of all? We need 6 egg whites, we need 460 gram butter, 1.5 cup of sugar, a little bit of salt, and any flavouring you like. I like vanilla, probably one of the best. And what do we need to do? It's quite straightforward. Put in a mixer, in a bowl, 6 egg whites, put a little bit of salt, just makes it a little bit more flexible, and sugar. And then use a little mixer, just with a hand. We are going to place in a pan with a little bit of hot water. I put a little bit of hot water, not too much, just a little bit so it doesn't actually cook. And I'm going to place it over it on a hob. And I'm going to mix it for about 12 minutes. If you don't have thermometer, it's 12 minutes. However, if you've got thermometer, 140 Fahrenheit or 60 Celsius to make sure it's healthy. It's food safe. Okay, the next thing we do, the egg whites with sugar, a bit of salt, we place it in the pan with a bit of water. Like I said, not too much water. Okay, now we need to mix it, keep stirring. We want the sugar to melt, so we don't have the sugar pieces in there. That's it. We probably, if you haven't got thermometer, like I said, you do need to maybe mix it for about 12 minutes to make sure it's safe. If you do, just make sure that you've got 60 degrees Celsius on the thermometer. And that's it. And that will take, like I said, about 10 to 12 minutes. Welcome back. I've got the 140 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's ready. Now I'll lift it up from there and place it into a sink with cold water. Make sure you stir it just for a few minutes, for about 3-4 minutes, to make sure it actually cools down a little bit. And I stir it so it doesn't cook. You have to keep stirring it. Always remember that. Just a little bit cold. Okay. Okay, it's ready. It's not cold, it's just a little bit cooler. I'll take it out of water. Oops, lots of water coming out. Okay. And I place it into my mixer. Take a whisk attachment and I put it on for about medium, a little bit higher, in my actual mixer, number 4. And I do it for 10 minutes, I leave it to beat, and I'll show you what it looks like after. Okay, it looks ready. Let's have a look. It's quite thick. Can you see it? Very nice white. It actually is very delicious at this stage. However, it does not end yet. Now change the ends instead of whisker this attachment, and it's quite straightforward how I do it. Most of people do it bit by bit. I actually throw it all in there. A lot of times it takes to cut in pieces and do it slowly, but it never let me down. I've always had a great cream from it. So I just put that all the batter in there. A little bit of vanilla, about 1 teaspoon. I do a little bit more just for the taste. And that's it. Now we beat it again on medium high, on my occasion number 4, for another 10 minutes, and it should be ready. Okay, it looks ready. And that's all, guys, you see? It's quite easy. Oh, it's lovely. It's very soft, easy to manage, smells delicious. And I think if you try this cream, I don't think you will try any other creams to do, because this one's one of the best ones I've tried. I've tried them all. Now, show you how it looks like. That's it. That's it. Have a look at this. Great texture. Right, thank you very much for watching. Please visit my website regularly if you can, mysweetpassion.com or mysweetpassion.co.uk. There are lots of new videos to come, a lot more, so please watch out, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks guys, bye.